In this video, I'm going to tell you about 3 essential coding tools that I use every single day and you may not know about. Hello my coding friends, I'm John Hayes and welcome to Coding Nuggets. So first up on the list is MB, and MB lets you create notes in a text-based format that can be either in Markdown, it can be in Emacs, or it can be in LaTeX. It can import and export files in many different formats. It can create private, password-encrypted notes and bookmarks. With MB, you can write notes using Vim, VS Code, Sublime Text, Emacs, or any other text editor that you like. MB works on macOS, Linux, and Windows using WSL. Optional dependencies can be installed to MB and they're optional, but it works great without them. MB is also a very powerful text bookmarking CLI, and that's the best part about it. That's what I use it for the most. MB has full localized search, it has tagging, and it also uses the Internet Wayback Machine to look up any broken links. For any current links, it'll go ahead and convert them as well. You can convert different formats. I use it to convert them to Markdown. And there's easy viewing of the bookmarks in your terminal or in your web browser. And it's very easy to open them up once you actually search for them and find them. MB can be installed using Homebrew, but it can also be installed using NPM on Windows, Ubuntu, and many others. So one of the easiest ways to actually add in a new note is just to type NB add. That will take you straight into your editor, whatever text editor you have set as default, and you can begin typing your note. In Vim, all I have to do is type in my notes, and once I'm done, hit :X, it'll automatically sync everything to GitHub, and my notes are there. In order to add a bookmark, all I have to do is type NB space and then add in the URL. I can add in any additional tags that I want to add by typing in -T and then the tags comma separated. In order to show a list of my bookmarks that I've added in, all I have to do is type NB and that'll show a list of I think the last 25 bookmarks that I've actually made. On the left hand side, you'll notice that there is a number that corresponds to each bookmark. In order to open it, all you have to do is type NB space O space and then whatever the actual number is. That'll open up the bookmark into your web browser. I can also view it directly within my text editor by typing NB E and then whatever the corresponding number is for the bookmark. In order to search for bookmarks, all I have to do is type NBQ and then whatever search term that I want. I can also type in NBQ and put a hashtag and whatever the actual tag is that I want to search for. MB is very simplistic to use and it's one of my essentials. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload any new videos to the channel. Next up on the list is the Way by Out of Cheese Error, and this is a snippets manager for your terminal. In order to use the Way, all you have to do is type the-way and new. It'll come up with a list that'll actually prompt you for each little thing that you want to add in. That's a title, a description. It'll also ask you for the code snippet, and you can actually open it up directly into your text editor so that way you can edit the whole code snippet within that. Once you're done, all you have to do, just like I do in Vim, is hit :X to get out of Vim. If you're in another text editor, just save it, close, and it'll automatically sync all of your snippets to a gist on GitHub. This makes it easy to sync across all computers and it's very useful. In order to search your snippets, all you have to do is type the-way and search. Once you've done that, it'll actually open up a fuzzy finder and you can directly search for any snippet that you want within the fuzzy finder. Once you have it, all you have to do is scroll down or select the actual snippet that you want and it'll open that snippet up into your text editor. Once you've actually got the snippet open in your text editor, all you want to do is copy it and then get out of it, and then you can copy it into any other place that you want. You can also type the-way and CMD for command and it'll prompt you for a specific command, which is like a one-line command from your terminal. You paste that in, it'll ask you for a specific description, you can add any tags that you want, and then you have a snippet for just one single command. The Way is my number 2 essential and I use it every single day. Last on my list for my 3 essentials is Firework by Starter Pack. Firework works on macOS, it works on Windows, and it works on Linux. Firework turns web applications and sites into desktop applications. It's instant loading time and very easy to switch between applications. Another cool feature is it actually gets pinned directly to your taskbar. Once you open up Firework, all you have to do is go up in the top right hand corner. You'll notice that there's a plus sign. You click on the plus sign, it'll ask you for a URL. Once you type in the URL, it'll pull the fave icon from the site. You go down and you can click add. You also have an option where you can add it to your Launchpad, which will make it a native application. Very easy to use, it adds in, and once that's done, you'll have the application within your new screen. Searching is also easy. You'll notice there's a search bar in the left hand corner of the application. You click on it, you start typing, and it'll pull up the apps. It's actually real-time searching, so it'll actually pull up whatever app you're searching for. You can hit enter to open the app for the default, or you can click on it. You can also right click within Firework and you'll see that you'll see new group. If you click on new group, that'll allow you to create a new group, which is basically like a folder, and then you can drag and drop your new applications into folders so that way you can organize. It's absolutely one of my essentials, and that is the last of the 3 applications that I use every single day and you may not know about. I hope you found this video useful. I really want to provide you with great content, and I'll see you soon.